Hello Internet, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a common car problem. If your car smells a little funky when you turn on the AC, or your windows are fogging up faster than usual, dealerships will gladly charge you 300 to 800 rupees to fix it. But you can actually fix it yourself in under 5 minutes, for less than the dealership, and with absolutely zero tools. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter on basically any car. Step 1. Empty out your glove box completely so everything doesn't dump onto the floor. Open the glove compartment. Behind it, in the compartment, you'll find the cabin air filter. While it's possible to replace the filter without removing the glove box, I'll demonstrate the correct method. Squeeze the top part stoppers inward simultaneously and pull the glove box to detach it from the hinges. There are usually 2 plastic tabs on the sides. Squeeze them together, and the cover pops right off. Remove the old dirty cabin filter, and it's a good habit to replace it every year or 10,000 kilometers. Take your new filter, make sure those airflow arrows are pointing down just like the old one, and slide it right into the slot. It should fit perfectly without bunching up. Snap the plastic cover back on until it clicks. When you are done changing the filter, line up the bottom C-clips onto the lower hinge bars and press down until they snap into place. Then, simply push the glove box straight up and slam it shut. The side tabs are designed to automatically compress and pop back into place on their own. Hit that like button, subscribe and drop a comment. See you in the next video.